Hey there, I'm Dean from Paperform, and today I'm going to give you a quick update on what's changed in our new dashboard. So if you've signed into Paperform in the past few days, you might have noticed that things look a little bit different. Here's what's changed. Up the top here, we have a few more options next to create a form and our avatar. These are our account settings. So that's just a quicker way of getting into your account settings. And here we have refer a friend, which is a quick link to our referral program. If you haven't seen our referral program before, it's a really amazing way you can share Paperform with people, invite them to Paperform, and if they sign up using this link, they'll get 10% off their Paperform account forever, and you'll get 10% off your account for as long as they're around. So if you want to share Paperform, it's a great way to do it. Anyway, back to the dashboard. You'll see that things have changed a little bit up the top here as well. This might look a little bit similar to what we had before, but it's actually quite different. So we have what will you make and a bunch of different form categories. So if you want to make an onboarding form or a payment form or a booking form, you can click any of these options, or you can obviously start from scratch or search all of the templates. But what happens is if I click payment forms, for example, that's going to load all of the templates that are available under payment forms. And on the left here, we can scroll to see a quick preview of those templates. To get an idea of what the look and feel of that template is. And once we find a template that we like, say I like the look and feel of this template, we can click into it to see a full preview and then click use template to use that template live on our account. Or we can click back to the dashboard to just come straight back here to the dashboard. If I scroll further down, we can see our forms section. So currently I have my forms space selected. We have spaces now located down here as well. So instead of being in the sidebar on the left, and as it was in our previous version, it's now located just down here next to forms. So we can see I've got 3 spaces in this account. My forms, client's forms, team's forms. It's very easy to select forms. I can move forms around just by dragging the icon and dropping them in a space. I can delete spaces very easily. And we can add spaces easily as well. So I've just clicked the plus button, Dean's Forms, ta-da, you have a space called Dean's Forms again. Very easy to swap between spaces. You'll also notice that forms look a little bit different as well by default now. So we have changed the default view for forms to be this card view. You can obviously change that back to our previous version, which is more of a list view. Just by clicking this change layout option here. Very easy to toggle between the two. The card view works a little bit better for a lot of use cases where you can see more forms on screen. So if you've got a lot of forms, this would be probably the way to go. And you can see that there's some options here on the card option as well. So we have our submission count up in the top right corner. If I click on that, that'll take me to the submissions page. We have a link to view the form, and we have a link to edit the form. But of course, we can actually just click this icon as well if we would like to bring up a full menu to view, edit, go to submissions, make a copy of the form or move it to another space, or to delete the form. Anyway, I really hope you like the new dashboard. We'd love to hear what you think, so let us know, and thanks for watching.